Welcome back to Access Live. Comedian Melissa Peterman is warming up. You know why? Sex and the City just turned the big 2-0, and women all over the country have been throwing fun parties, so we're going to do that today. We're going to have a Sex and the City challenge where we're going to go through and do all things Carrie, and then we've got to make it around here and dive through that finish line.
Okay, so we do shoes, we do clothes, cupcake, Cosmo, finish line.
Yes, but look who's here to referee, our own Mr. Big. Johnny Evans, baby doll.
Oh yeah. All right, ladies. You will start in Carrie's closet. You need your boa, your Manolos, your flour, and your tutu, of course. Then you will hit the Magnolia Bakery cupcake station. You must eat the entire thing. Next, the Cosmos.
Yes.
Chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug. And then splash to the finish line. You got to get to the finish line. The first one to the finish line wins. And the winner is the Golden Manolo Blonde.
Do we get to take that home?
No, but you get to look at it real close.
Oh, that's fine. That's all I need.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
On your mark. Get set.
Wait.
Go.
Okay. All right. This is not fair. Wait. Okay. Shoes. Okay.
Here we go.
All right.
Here, you want this first?
Yeah.
I don't need that blonde wig. I already got my weave.
Okay.
Oh God. Oh
There
God.
you go.
Wait, I should have put the shoes on first.
Oh, right. Okay, hang on.
Oh my God.
This is so good.
Oh God, is this like Rachel Bilson style?
No one can see. No one can see you. No one can see you.
Okay. All right.
This doesn't look ridiculous at all, ladies.
Hang on. Is my hat on?
Kit, you need
shoes.
Kit, you need shoes.
Don't you?
What size shoes?
Okay, wait. I can't even be able to touch it.
Your mic. No, don't you get out of your mic. Your mic. I was gonna hold your mic. Go.
Whole cupcake. Whole cupcake. Yeah. Cosmo. Chug-a-lug. Chug-a-lug. Kit, other Cosmo. Here you go.
Wait, we have to finish it.
Here you go. Get on in there. Get on in there. Come on, you gotta finish here. You gotta chug-a-lug. You got it. You got it.
Run! Like the wind! Look at that! Cheekies! It's so huge! Go! What is this? Go! No! That's such a Samantha move! We won! Victory! Did we win?
I don't know.
I think there was a winner.
I'm gonna say,
Did I win?
you did. You did. You're so pretty.
I'm a pretty princess. And I won.
Guys,
Here's your trophy.
I see where you're going with that. I'll lick that off. I think we've got a clear winner right here. And I think it has to go. Let's hear it right here. For Sex in the City challenge right here. By the way, I need to get a look at us because I was moving so fast.
I could have carried you through this.
I was gonna jump on your back.
Okay, all right.
We had game right there.
Jump on your back.
It is strong. A big thank you to Melissa today. We had so much fun.
We certainly did.
And we gotta go out with the greatest footage of all time. Roll tape of us competing.
Oh my gosh. You know, I've never been more proud of myself.
Wait, watch your run. Look at your run.
I've got 2 degrees, and this is what I'm doing right now.
Now we're to the Cosmos. No, watch this.
By the way, I just want to say I did not cheat, okay? I drank all of it. Oh, what a pretty girl. Oh, I hope my father's watching. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Happy